Hello traders. Today we will be doing analysis for 28th of July. In the yesterday's video, we talked about that we can go short below this level. Then our first target would be a small target of 30 points, and then which was this high value node. And then we talked about that we can come down to these high value nodes which were around 150 points per hour. So today, after going below this level of 15780, we came down as much as 80 to 85 points, and then after that we went sideways. We did not come to these lower levels, but after going below 780, we went till 695. Now, what can we expect tomorrow is that let's draw a volume profile here in this zone. So we can expect the market to find, let me remove all this. So now what we can expect is that we can find some resistance at these levels, which is the point of control right here, and this high value node as well, because it has been an important level previously as well. So I can say that we can find resistance around 15820 to 15840 levels, and maybe even take a small short trade in this area for intraday, not a positional trade. And for us to be long again, we have to come here, face some resistance, maybe take a small trade here as I said for intraday, and then again if we start going above this resistance, we can look for long, and our next target will be 15940. So I hope the bullish side is clear. First of all, we cannot go long as till we are below 15,840, and if we come down, take resistance at 15840, and then again go up above 15840, then we are looking towards 15940 levels. So here can be a 100-point bullish trade, but first we'll have to come above 15840. Now our support is still present at 15650 levels. So if we remove all this, then we have our support at 15650, around 15650 to 15630. So I would say this is our current support level, and let's say even if we go till 840, there is a chance that we can even come down all the way back to these levels. But after reaching near 840, we'll have to see what happens. For the bearish side, let's say we directly come down here tomorrow and we get a small bounce, maybe even take a small bullish intraday trade, and then if we again start to go down below, then I think we are going towards 15,300, because we have discussed that on the longer time frame chart that there isn't much support left, and our next support is present at 15,300. So I hope all these scenarios are clear for bullish side as well as bearish side. Now going towards Bank Nifty. Now we were talking that we can go long if we sustain above 35,150, but as you can see that there is no movement above 35,150, and we just came down and we found support at barely the previous support levels. For now, what we have to do is, again we have to track this level 35,150, because it is still the important level which the market has not been able to cross, and as long as we are below this, we cannot go long. And if only after we get a sustained move and then a move to the upside, we can look for probably near 35,400 levels, and then further towards this gap filling of 35,750. For the bearish side, I think that if we go today, if we go below today's low, we are moving towards 34,550 and then possibly towards 34,400. So if we go below this low, I think we can move something like this. And let's say that after reaching this zone of 34,400, we again get a small bounce and then we again go down, then we are looking towards 33,500, which we'll have to go look on the bigger chart, and we can see that it's near this area. And here we still have a POC which will provide us support just below this candle. So we'll have to see what the market does after reaching here. If we get a small bounce and then again a decline, then maybe we are looking towards a 800-900 points drop. So I hope both the scenarios for Nifty and Bank Nifty is clear. And as I have been saying since last week, if you are watching the videos regularly, that we are in a bearish to sideways market. And for me, we have to get a decent size drop to be bullish again. So I hope everything is clear, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you.